How to fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix your Telegram app when the invite link of Hamster Kombat for your friends is not working. So without further ado, let us begin. So yeah, the first thing that we need to do is to just exit out of the Telegram app if your Hamster Kombat is open. So let's just exit out of here. And then after that, what you want to do is to just open up the settings of your phone. So just click on settings right here. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to your storage. So for me, I'll just go to general right here and then just go to iPhone storage. And then after that, what you want to do from here is to just look for the Telegram app. So my Telegram app is this one right here. So I'll open that up. So yeah, the first method that you need to do is to just offload the app. So basically what offloading the app does, this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So yeah, what you want to do is to just offload the app and then just reinstall the app again. But if that doesn't work, what you can do is to simply just delete the app and then just reinstall the app again. So yeah, so by then, the invite link for your friends in Hamster Kombat should be working. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.